Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY guinea pig playpen. Okay, so I just got two new guinea pigs, Snickers and Cinnamon, and they are adorable. And I thought it'd be so much fun to show you guys them today. Let's get started. So these are the materials you are going to need. Some cooling racks I found at the Dollar Tree, and I picked up a whole stack of them. Zip ties, and some binder clips. First, remove the label. So as you can see, each pack comes with two. Now we're just going to zip tie them together, one on the top and one on the bottom. And keep doing that until they're all gone. Now I'm going to take some scissors and clip off the extra zip ties. Now this is what it looks like when it's all done. Now I'm going to show you the last step. So to join the ends together, I'm going to take my binder clips and just connect them. Just like this. So now I'm just going to lay out a beach towel. Then just go ahead and set up the gate all the way around. Then go and get your piggy's favorite toys and food. And you're done. It's so much fun to watch my guinea pigs run around and play. This is Snickers, and this is Cinnamon. If you have a pet, be sure to tell me in the comments down below. You can also set it up outside. Just be sure you sweep it off first so they don't eat any leaves. And when you're all done, then just go ahead and collapse it up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. So if you'd like to see more of my videos, be sure to hit that red subscribe button. Just so you guys know, I post on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so if you check on those days, I should have a new video out. Bye! See you guys next week!